I've been violated.
I was recording that, but I didn't have time to turn the microphone on. So we're gonna have a really interesting video. Here to tell us what happened.
Yeah, I got violated by my skateboard. Did you freaking see that?
Yeah. We're gonna try a day in the life today. And luckily, it's extremely warm.
Extremely dry.
And it hasn't been 5 weeks since we really skated. We're gonna have 2 cameras for this one, so it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna film a board setup over there while he skates over here. So we'll use this footage for the day in the life, and then I'll have my setup video for a separate one.
Jeez McGee's.
Oh, he got mollies.
So disgusting.
Oh! What was that?
That was the best like backflip catch kickflip ever. Dude, oh, counts. Oh, I got nollie shows. There we go.
That wasn't a sick clip.
That is the maiden mist.
Maiden mist or made of the mist?
Gotta get a little maiden mist up here.
The maiden mist, Jesus.
Yeah, man. Oh, he gone. Count it. Whatever, you're out. Another one. Yeah. Boom.
Oh yeah, I shouldn't be that close because it's not a fisheye.
Now that the microphone's on, what are we doing?
Oh, now that's good. I'm glad that's nice. We're doing a get our kickflips better session. Actually, like, pop them.
Pop them. Just like that.
Needs more pop.
More pop.
Yeah, that was a kickflip. That landing, gold.
Oh, if I keep that under me, that was it.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh my god, if I caught that.
Oh!
So we're rocking.
Dude, that was ridiculous.
got kicked out of a sidewalk because America, right? There's a pavilion down here that has really smooth concrete.
The Papalalian.
The Papalalian.
What's that dog? The Popula.
Clearly he shot up a little bit of coke on the way here, but anyway. I have no idea what you're talking about.
There's a dog that's called like a Papapelion.
Oh, like a breed of dog?
Oh, well,
Almost
yeah,
a brand
like
of dog.
Yeah.
A brand of dog. So hopefully it's dry, which it should be. Harry, it's a good thing I'm here.
Thank God.
Otherwise we might get kicked out again. Wow, it's really raining at this point. Snow. Forecast for today was like sprinkles for a couple hours. Like right now it's actually really pouring and it's been raining ever since 6 a.m. that I got up. So as usual, meteorologist just doing a fine job. Dry. We're not, camera's not, board's not, but the ground is dry. We're gonna skate some flat for a little bit. I don't have a tripod, anything to clean the lens, extra battery, which is about to die. But we're gonna be coming back here in a bit, like later in the day. So we'll have actual gear then and make some real footage, but for now we're just gonna skate. Okay, now that the microphone is on, I'm turning into you.
What?
Now that the microphone is on. Now we're gonna play a game of skate. Hey! And I apologize for all the stuff on the lens. It's actually frozen, so I can't really do anything about it. You want to redo?
Sure.
Even though we already did this without the mic on? Oh god, we're off. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah!
I was gonna do the same thing as before. So
Whatever. Here you go. He's gonna win anyway, so I don't care. Commence! Yeah.
Oh.
Count?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's challenging my skill set.
He just finally learned these, so let's see what he gets.
Do you count that?
Yeah, I'm gonna count it, dude. That's a new trick for you. You've only had it for like a day.
Defense.
Knocks.
Does that even deserve?
We'll get you that redo.
Alright.
And just like that, battery's gonna die.
Cool.
Okay, well the battery's about to die. There's no way we're gonna finish, so we're gonna be coming back later. We'll just pick up right here where we left off. So, do we have any letters? No.
No.
So we're eating.
No.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Yeah?
Yeah, no. So we're good. So we're just gonna start up and not do the same tricks we just did. So we'll see you back here in a little bit. For now, he's gonna go home and try to sell a car, and I'm gonna go home, hang out with the family for a little bit, and then after he's done, we'll come back here. And now I'm really late. See, that's how you're supposed to film. We don't know these things.
Oh, yeah. You don't need light to film.
Nah,
Don't listen.
not with a Canon. Okay, so as I was saying that he was gonna go have somebody look at his car, and I was gonna go home.
Canceled. It's awesome.
You might actually be, I don't know if he was in the background, but he was on his phone figuring that out. So it was like as I was talking. And then I just ran to my car, 3 gears away and got a new battery. So we're gonna continue. And I'm gonna lose because I'm extremely tired now. And he hasn't been skating, so we lost it. Begin!
Yeah.
I know
So
that.
tired from trying them 500 times in a row.
Well, that, and I know you were thinking so hard about it too.
I know. Yeah.
Butter. Oh god, I was leaning so far back. Boom. Oh, why did it not roll?
You had it.
Stop, you're doing so well. I was going all the way with that one. Wow.
The save was immaculate.
It was. Oh, that looked good.
It's so hard to land that. Yeah.
Yep. There's just no getting you on that.
Yeah, I'll just take a letter for that if you land it.
You've earned the redo. Yeah.
Will you count that?
Of course I'll count that.
Little toe check.
Yeah.
Yes.
Stomp. Stomped.
Yeah.
That was tasty.
Oh.
Dang.
It was
There it
rotating
was.
just a little bit too slow. Oh, can we do that? There's a damn pine needle on my board.
I
It's
saw it the whole
distracting the
time.
living shit out of me.
I was watching it the whole time. I'm like, how is he doing this? How can he
Oh
concentrate?
my god, I can't. Oh, there's a letter for me.
Force that one around.
Taking a letter. I'm at K.
Well, there's the game. Oh, of course my foot's under the board. I was gonna force my foot onto that thing. That's such an annoying trick.
Yeah.
Nollie.
It's the only nollie trick I can do, I'm pretty sure.
I'll get a third try.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Would have counted.